Here's my torque converter. Since my stupid phone wasn't recording, you press the volume button, it shuts it off. So dumb. This is my stock converter. I don't know why it says 6.3 f23, but my performance one, I just don't know if this thing's gonna work or what. Set it over here. See, it's totally different here. And it's smaller, big time. Then the shaft sticks out more, way more. But this was supposed to be for a C6. I feel like it's not gonna work. That's huge, that's way smaller. I don't know what this was, a 9, 10 inch, I don't remember. I bought this new and it took a long time to get to it. Almost a year. So I doubt I can return it. I bought it off of eBay. But it does fit in there. I mean, the pump thing's the same. The shaft's the same. I put it on the tranny. I just don't know how that's gonna fit on there because this thing is heavy. The back of this one's a lot shorter. I just need to try it on the flex plate to see. If anyone has any advice, maybe let me know. So I haven't ever done a high stall converter. That's a 2800, what it needs. I tried it last night, it does fit. I just feel like rebuilding this. If whoever had this, they broke this shit all off. I have it. I just need to put, I'm gonna use some like quick steel stuff, layer it in there, all on the back side, get this real clean. I just want to make a little video before I clean this up right now. Got my gunk spray ready over there. Not the best thing to use, cheap. I got the extra foam stuff. I have to try to plug my lines and stuff. So I'm gonna pressure wash this thing. Get most of this shit off I can. Almost use that whole can already. Let it sit and scrub, but that's gonna be it for this video. Anyone got any ideas on that torque converter situation, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Got it all cleaned up. I'm gonna rebuild it, I don't care. It's out, might as well do it. Shit is good and everything, didn't have any problems. Long time I had that truck doing burnouts, hard pulls, exploring the shit out of it. It never slipped, ever. But I want to put in some performance clutches in the shift kit, because I'm going to have a high stall in there anyway, and my motor's already fully built. So that will work perfect. Came out good though, that's clean. Someone broke that transmission right here. I have the piece. I'm going to try to put it back in there.